Okay, today we're going to talk about this little practice program. Okay, we're going to practice and we're going to learn Python by doing it. That's why I was saying if you want to have someone who's going to tell you everything in long story, you will find a lot of places. But I want something we can do every day. We can do something on the go. All the time we're going to do something. So now today we're going to find out how to find largest of three numbers. It says write a Python program to find the largest of three numbers. So we have to find out how we're going to accomplish this. Think. So we're going to first define a function. Okay? We're going to define a function and then we're going to call this function, let's say, the big of three numbers. Okay? And then we're going to give them A, B, and C. Okay? Now, so we're going to say if, and then if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, and we're going to say if A is greater than C, okay, then we want to do something here. Okay, so what we're going to do is here, so we have to print something out now. Okay, so we're going to say print, we're going to print and say A is greater than B and C. Okay, and then we're going to say else, and then we're going to print C. Okay, we're going to say C is greater than A and B. Okay, so this what we're doing is, like we're saying, if A is greater than B and if A is greater than C, then print A is greater than A and B and C. Else, if C is greater than A and B, so we're gonna print that if C is greater A and B, and then we're gonna use elif. Okay, and we say elif. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna say elif is B is what? Elif B is greater than C. Okay, then we're gonna print and say B is greater than A and C. Okay, else, okay, print C is greater than A and B. So what we're doing here is, first we have define a function, and then we say big of 3, yeah, the biggest of 3. A, B, and C. So we say if A is greater than B, and if A is greater than C, then print A is greater than this. Okay? Else print C is greater than A and B. Elif, now, if B is greater than C, print B is greater than A and B. Else print C is greater than A and B. Okay? So now we're gonna call this function. Okay? So we're gonna say let's say text equal let's say an input. We're gonna have an input from the user. So we're gonna say enter A and B and C, yeah, values, okay, and then we're gonna say A, comma, B, comma, C equal to, we're gonna say text, okay, and then that split, and then we're gonna call the big of 3, and then we're gonna say int, let's say A, and then we're gonna say comma, int, and then B, comma, and then we're gonna say int C, okay. Let's do a little bit, space it out here a little bit. Let's give it some space everywhere so you'll see it clearly. So we taken with this variable text, and then we taken an input and say enter A, B, C, D, 3 values, and then we put all 3 values here, and then we split it, and we take this function, take the input, whatever values of A goes here, whatever values goes here and here. So let's run the program and see how it's gonna be, and it's asking to write down 3 numbers. So I'm gonna say, let's say 4, 5, and 6. Enter. We have to make some spaces. View. Okay, let's run it again. 4, 5, and 6. You see? So now they say C is greater than A and B, because as we enter 6 is greater than A and B. So C is the greater than A and B. So if we run it again, and we do like 10 space 88 space 44, and then enter. So now B is greater than A and B. A and C. B is greater than A and C, because we have 88 there. So it takes 2-digit numbers too. So that's how we'll do it. This little program we have as a practice. So let's practice all together. And this is how we're going to learn Python. I hope this was informative, and thank you for viewing.